Hey Jess, it's Friday. Actually, it's Thursday. Movie magic. I'm going to be on the road heading up to Northern California on Friday, so thanks to YouTube scheduling options, here I am. Now a commenter, Dan Gunther, reminded us that our videos on Mondays and Fridays need to be under 4 minutes. And you're right, Dan, good catch. Our videos should be under 4 minutes. So what the challenge is here is there's a tricky little element in YouTube that Jess and I haven't hammered out yet. And so this is a good time for us to go into this process. So when we finish a video, let's say it's 3 minutes and 57 seconds, then we load that to YouTube. We feel like we're in the clear, right? And then YouTube does this thing where it processes our intro video, which is that 3-second intro, that silly little superhero thing. So again, that intro is 3 seconds long. That's the maximum length of an intro video allowed by YouTube. So that knocks us up to 4 minutes even. But for some reason, YouTube tacks on 1 second. I don't know where that second goes, whether it's the beginning, middle, or end. I have no idea. But that takes us now to 4:01, which was the length of Jess's last video. It's, honestly, we overlook that. But to be safe, Jess, me and you, now let's say post-process on our end, our videos are 3:55 tops. Okay, Jess, now onto the idea of doing daily videos. So when you're doing daily videos, you're under a lot of pressure. You're held accountable by the YouTubers, and you're also held accountable by those poopy-faced bedwetters. Now, when you mentioned to me that you wanted to do daily videos at VidCon, I was like, wow, you gotta be crazy pants. I knew with your schedule it was gonna be tough. With my schedule, it would be, forget it. I couldn't take that kind of pressure. If anyone's interested in what I have to say, they have to tune in every week. However, I do love a good challenge. Okay, so this could be a nightmare for me, but to show my support for you, I will give it a go. Man, I am easily persuaded. I feel like I'm one of those Disney documentary lemmings who will just jump off a cliff if given a challenge. Okay, so I will give it a go next month. That's 22 days streaming straight from the Tim in September. Now you designated it as Vlogtimber. I'm gonna call it Vlogtimber. It'll be a separate channel designed strictly for this purpose. It'll start on Labor Day, and you could probably expect a very moody me. Fantasy football will have started, so will college football with my beloved University of South Carolina, who, by the way, is ranked preseason in the top 10, which I think is a little bit high. My daughter will be starting pre-K at a brand new private school, and I have my own wedding anniversary coming up at the end of September. By the way, we just finished some videos on wedding anniversary gifts, and my wife and I are coming up on 7 years, which is wool. She already has all the copies she needs of Baba Black Sheep, so if anyone has any ideas, please leave them down in the comments. I look forward to hearing them. Just, even though I'll be on vacation, I will see you on Monday.
There's something else I forgot to mention that's happening in September. Your husband and I are heading to Hollywood on September 3rd to catch 2 tapings of At Midnight with Chris Hardwick. That'll give you something to talk about tonight.